guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. If you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. So what I have today is a Dollar Tree Christmas haul. I am so excited. I found some new items. They're still putting them out. I just can't believe it. And if you like these earrings, I picked them up at Walmart, if you can believe it, for $5. I think they're so festive, okay? So let me start off with what I picked up. I don't know if I want to start off with the new or some of the other. I think I'll just kind of mix it up, okay? All right, I found these little pom-poms. I had never seen these before at Dollar Tree. You get 3 yards. They have it in this really pretty green, and they had it in the red as well. And I think they had it in white, and I believe I picked it up. It may be in another bag for another haul. I'm not sure, okay? Then I found these. Now, they've had these before, but I think they're so cute. They have these little cotton balls that look like miniature snowmen. You can put them together. I saw some of these at Hobby Lobby, and they're much more expensive. And the only difference is they have glitter on them. And you could sprinkle glitter on them, okay? But you get 15 pieces to this. And then I picked this one up, and you get 3 of them here. I can't believe what they're doing. It's amazing, okay? Then I picked up some of these little bears. Look at this. You get a set of 6, and they have a little clip on the back. Is that not adorable? You could put them on a garland. You could do so much with these, okay? Then I picked up another ornament like I did. If you, I'll link that DIY ornament that I made in the description box below. I put it up yesterday in case you missed it, and I'll put it behind this video. But I used one of these Christmas ornaments, and it totally upscaled it, okay? And then I picked up a white one like this. I think maybe this is I don't know if I've hauled a white one before or not, but I have the one that looks white, silvery, and cold, okay? And then they had these really cute, you get 9 pieces of these felt stickers, and they look like ornaments in there, different shaped ornaments. I think that is so cute, okay? Now this, I don't think I've ever seen this in my Dollar Tree. Look at this. It looks like a gigantic light bulb with a hole. You could turn that into an ornament. But it's really cute. And it says that you can put like succulents and things like in that. And you could, it would be very pretty. But I have other ideas. And then look at this. I had never seen this in my Dollar Tree. These little tiny wooden crates. Crafter Square is beyond blowing my mind. And they have this little jute cord right here. Look how adorable that is. So I picked up, I think I only got 2 of these, but I think maybe I got 3. I just don't know where the other one is. I'll show it later when I find it. I'm in such a mess. Then look what I found, this little container, pre-made, and it has 4 sections to it. Crafter Square once again. Can you believe all these finds? I can't, but you could do probably some really cute DIYs with this, okay? Then, wait for it. I could not believe it. I have never seen this there before. Look at this little like village. It has Santa with his reindeer, the church, and then the house. And that could be like the clouds or whatever. Is that not adorable? And it comes with the jute twine. So adorable. If you would see that at Hobby Lobby, oh, you'd pay dear for that, okay? Then I picked up one of these. It just says Merry Christmas. It looks like a sleigh. This would make a great gift box to do if you wanted to do it for a neighbor, a friend, a family member, it would be so cute, okay? And then I found some of these ornaments, but I missed the gingerbread ones. But I found Santa, and I found the little penguin, and they are adorable. They're like a rubbery ornament, but how cute is that? They are totally upping their game for 2021. I don't know. Okay, then I found this little truck. It's so cute. And it says Mary on the side. And it has that gorgeous little tree. You could paint these. Oh, you could do so much. And look at that wreath on top. The attention to detail is insane, okay? Then I picked up some more of these little snowflakes. I thought they were so cute. You get 8 to a pack, okay? And then I picked up 2 of these, and they both say Winter Wishes with that buffalo check. I think that's really cute. Then I found, oh, I actually got 2 of these. I was so excited to find them, so I picked up 2. Like I said, I missed the gingerbread ones, but next year, there's always next year. Then look at this wrapping paper that I found. It is gorgeous. It has the deer and the red truck that has the wreath and those trees and the snowman. Oh, that is high quality wrapping paper. Love it. Then I went ahead and picked up these snowflakes. I thought they were very cute. Okay. And then I saw Crafter Square again. They have these really tiny little pieces of wood. You could do a lot of cute little projects with those. So I picked up 2 of those. And then look at this. Love. I mean, you could use it for Christmas, but I was thinking more like Valentine's Day. I think that would be so cute, but look how cute that is. Love it. Okay, then I picked up 3 of these little sets of ornaments in the red. I thought they were really cute. And you get 16 to a pack. And then I picked up 3 of the gold, okay? So I have some ideas to do with that. 2 more things and we'll be finished, okay? I picked this up for that little gift box. I thought it would be fun. I may do one for you all. And then here's some Russell Stover candy. I thought that would be cute. So that's everything that I found this week at the Dollar Tree for Christmas 2021. Like I said, you never know what you're going to find when you go in there. It's just totally mind-blowing. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for a Decorate With Me for Christmas. My hands handled that pretty well, except my 2 middle fingers started sticking a little bit more and my thumb got sore. So I'm going to rest it a little bit. Then next Tuesday, we'll do another DIY ornament for Christmas. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she was on the couch. And say, Mama has to get decorated. Yes, Mama has to get the couch decorated for Christmas in the living room. Say, Mama is behind. She's looking out the window. So, until next time, bye guys.